to create a content set. It will also show you how to use the drag and drop quick builder. Step 1. Log into iPresent.com and click on Content. And make sure you've selected Content Sets on the navigation bar. Click on Create a new content set. Under the Content Set Template section, select Create an empty content set. Under Basic Details, give your content set a name. Choose a thumbnail image. Under Platform Access, select the platforms you wish to enable your content set on. Check the box in the Browser Access section if you want users to be able to access your content set through a browser. Then click Save. You will now see the Menu Types box. Pick the menu type you would like to use and click OK. You can change your choice later if you wish. Next you will see the Edit menu box. Here you can choose a background image or video for your menu. Videos are iOS only. You can either use a stock image from the drop-down menu or use one from your resource library by clicking on Use Image Video from Resources. Click the Choose Image or Video button to upload a new image from your resource library. You can also change the font, the menu item path and text colour by clicking on the Edit icon. And clicking Save when you've finished. Click Save when you're happy with your choices. You now need to add a menu item. Click the Add Menu Item button. Give this menu item a title. Click the Choose Image button and select the image you'd like to use for your menu item. I've uploaded my menu item images here. If you want to, you can choose to show the image in a frame or not. You're now ready to add resources to your menu item. First, click on the menu item. Now you will have the option to choose to take the user to a submenu, a resource, or their briefcase. If you select submenu, you can then choose from the menu types. The user will go through to a submenu which you can then add menu items to, as before in the previous steps. If you select resource, the user will jump directly to your resource, and that's what we're going to do. So I'm going to click Resource, and here now I can add in the actual resource that I want the user to see, whether it be a video, a PDF, a PowerPoint presentation, etc. So I'm going to click on the Edit icon I'm going to navigate through my resource library to my resources, and I'm going to look for my services presentation, and choose it and save. Now I'm going to add in my other menu items. I also want to show you how to use the Quick Builder. The Quick Builder is a drag and drop feature to make building iPresent content sets easy. You can drag and drop single resources into a content set, or you can drag whole folders into the menu structure area. It will create a menu tree matching the structure of the selected folder and its subfolders. So this time, instead of clicking Add Menu Item, on the left-hand side I'm going to search for my resource. Here's my investment video. I'm going to drag it from the resources section on the left into the menu structure on the right. I'm going to hover over the menu, and when that area shines purple, I'm going to drop it. And now when I click down, I can see that my video is already populated. So what I'll need to do is edit the title of my menu item and the image that goes along with it. So I'll click the edit icon here on the left. I'm going to call this investment video. Investment video. And I'm going to and from the left-hand side, I'm going to find my menu item image. So I'm going to click back here. I'm going to click on menu item images, which is where they're all stored, and click down. And when I find the image that I want to use, I'm going to again drag it and drop and save. Okay, so my menu is populated. So now I can go back and make any changes that I want to the design. I think I'm going to change the dock menu background. So I'm going to click on the edit icon, and I'm actually going to use a stock image instead of that blue background. So I've clicked on use stock image, and I'm going to click on default menu background and save. I think that grey is going to work better with my menu icons. The last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add in a link to the user's briefcase. So I'm going to add one more menu item. I'm going to call it Briefcase. I'm going to drag over an image. This one is of a briefcase, so that's good. And click Save. And now this time I'm not going to send the user to a resource, I'm going to send them to their briefcase section, which is covered in another tutorial. I'm going to click Save. And now my content set is built and ready to put live.